Hello everyone, with you Yaroslav Shvets again, and I know you look for different kind of interesting information, so today we will discuss a little bit about the sportsman heart. What are different compared to normal people? Yeah, it's a bit more fit, more stronger, probably will work longer as well, but always have some but. If you, let's say, was training professionally for last 5-10 years and so on, you had 1-2 trainings per day and it became your normal routine, probably your heart get a little bit bigger and a little bit stronger. You can get the benefits from it and some unfortunate causes as well. So let's say if you will stop your training, like you get a family, get too busy, you're working with your business, whatever, you just don't have time anymore for the training, so you might get such a problem like a stroke, heart attack, arrhythmia and so on, and it might be even be cause of death as well. So when you not give such of pressure, such of training to your heart, after you might get some problems from it. So you need to prevent that, and at least, so if you cannot train in professionally anymore, maybe you get injury of your knees or elbow or whatever, or you just too busy or anything else happen, no gyms around, whatever. So perfect solution is cardio, and it's cardio you don't need to do like a level 4 or so on. So even simple walk, it can be perfect solution for keep your heart healthy. And if you will make some research online, you can find how many people get heart problem and died who been training professionally before. I was search like Russian net for some Russian athletes, what I know, and statistic is pretty bad, I would say. So simple cycling, at least 1 hour a day, it might be perfect solution. Jogging, walking, whatever, you can walk up and down on stairs, or maybe take a boat on a river, just make some paddle for hour or so. So you can find like any solution possible. So like even simple cardio would give you a little bit extra training for your heart, what will keep it works, of course not in the same regime, but at least more or less give some extra work. You will be fine, and you can prevent yourself from more serious problem. And it's not only the problem you might be getting, because other things, if your heart's too big compared to the blood vessels, your blood vessels struggling as well. So basically it's really vast topic for discuss, but I want to be really short and precise. Like you cannot just stop doing your training like for many months or so on, yeah, because you might make it even worse. But something like go and walk, do some cycling, a little bit of cardio, and you will be fine. And if you can go to gym sometimes, at least a couple times a week or so on, you will be even better. I think for the short video it's okay. I don't wanna discuss more different kind of things which might happen if you will just stop training forever, if you train in 10 years and so on, and now you just stop. Alright, so try to make video as short as possible. You got my point. So be well, mindful and healthy.